Hello, everyone. Once again, you welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook. Okay, and as you can see on my screen, Ingot risk-free first trade promo is still running. What that simply means is if you create an account with Ingots, okay, and you deposit any amounts, and your first trade that you take doesn't go well, Ingot refunds that. So, example, if you deposit $100 and you place your first trade, let's say on gold, and that trade doesn't go and you lose the $100, Ingot refunds the $100 back into your account so that you can now take your time, analyze the market well, and take your trades again. Okay, so yes, that is still running. Once again, like I said, you are welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook. Okay, now what we do is that we analyze the market and share with you potential market moves, opportunities happening. Then you as a trader can take advantage of that. Okay, now with our analysis, we look at technical analysis point of view and a fundamental analysis point of view. First off, we're going to look at the fundamental bit, and then later we look at the technical bits. Okay, so with the fundamental analysis, okay, we are just going to look at news coming up in the week. Now, before I even get into that, okay, if you, let's say you have your Ingot account, you log into your Ingot account, you're a busy type, okay, you busy type, or you don't really know how to trade but you want to earn, okay, you can log into your account, go to copy trading, you click on copy trading. At the copy trading part, you can copy trades from guys who are doing well. Okay, so I'm going to share with you some of the guys who are doing well, and then based on that, you can copy their trades whilst you take your time to learn, or maybe you go about your other daily activities. Okay. Aside that too, if you want to know how to do this, I have tutorial videos. Just reach out to me using the number on your screen, and then I'm going to share that with you and also add you to a community made up of good traders where you can also learn from. Okay, so you go to copy trading, you go to find, you search, let's say NAAT Finance. Okay, you click on that and you look at this NAAT Finance. A trader from Canada is done 11.73%. okay, which is very impressive. However, you can go a step further, scroll down, look at the performance. It came down a little, then it went up to this point. Okay, so you can choose to make a decision from there, or you can go back. Okay, you can go back and then look at other traders, look at their performance, as you can see here. Look at the charts, and then you can make a decision as to who to copy from. If you are struggling with the process or how to copy trades from others, let me know and I'm going to guide you as to how to go about it. Okay, now let's delve into it. So now we are going to look at events that will be coming up in a week, and then how to take advantage of these opportunities. So you go to ingot.io, you go to resource hub, you click on economic calendar. Okay, so at the economic calendar parts, you are going to see news coming up in a week. Okay, so you scroll down, you see the dates. A moment, the date is 5th. Okay, we are looking at 5th, that's today to Saturday. Time 13:35, and that's the current time. News type high impact news, and then okay, all right, a moment. Then we now look at the countries we want to trade from. Okay, so we look at countries, we select United States, Australia, Canada. Scroll down, Euro area, scroll down, Euro area, New Zealand, Switzerland, and UK. Okay, these are the countries I would like to have a fair idea of how their currencies are going to behave and take advantage of that. However, you can also choose countries that you are interested in. Okay, so like I said, ingot.io, you go to resource hub, you go to economic calendar, and then this will pop up. Now you scroll down. On Monday, Switzerland, we have unemployment rate news coming up, which is something you should have paid good attention to. Euro area, we have retail sales news coming up. New Zealand on Wednesday, we have interest rates news from New Zealand coming up, okay, and it's expected to be cut from 3% to 2.5. So it's something that you need to pay very good attention to. On Thursday, we have initial job claims coming from the US. Friday, we have unemployment change news coming from unemployment rates and change news coming from Canada. Okay. Now, in all of these, you realize that these news are going to really play a key role in the markets in the coming week. So, what you can do as a trader is to pick news that you think you are comfortable with. But looking at what I just shared with you, I would like to go in for Nzdusd. Okay, New Zealand, we have interest rate news coming up. USD, we also have initial job claims coming up. You know, currently there's been a lot going on in the US where there's a government shutdown, people losing their jobs, and all of that. So this is a news that you would have to pay attention to, and I believe is going to help you in your trading decision. Okay, so now that we are done with the fundamental analysis points of view, looking at news coming up, let's now get into action. Okay, so technical analysis. Now, technical analysis, as you can see, we are going to look at the chart patterns and then make a trading decision from there. Now, we're going to look at moves in the crypto markets, commodities markets, forex markets. Now, crypto markets, as you can see on your screen, we are going to be looking at Bitcoin, okay, the almighty Bitcoin, Btcusd. If you look at it closely, you would realize that price is currently approaching a resistance, okay, and this resistance has been here for some time now. Okay, so if you look at it closely like this, first price, the whole move started from here, as you can see. Then price got rejected at the same key level. Okay, so currently you can also see price approaching the same level here. Okay, it hasn't broken that resistance yet. So if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, you can wait for this resistance to get broken to the upside, then you place your buy trade. Okay, or if you're a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the resistance to reject the price to the downside, then you place your sell trade. In all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place, which I'm referring to your lot size, stop loss, take profits. Very, very important. Okay. Now, in the commodities market, we're going to look at gold. Now, if you look at gold, gold has been setting records, highs, creating highs, breaking highs, and all of that. Okay. And currently, as you can see that gold has been in an uptrend for some time now, where we are choosing this as our reference, where the last week it started from uptrend, we started from price got rejected here, and then price went up, and then it got rejected by the uptrend line again, okay, to the upside. Now, if you're a trader looking out for a trade, a buy opportunity, I would like you to pay a little bit attention to something else apart from this. You would realize that price is approaching the all-time highs, okay, and it's been testing that for some time now. So look at this. It's the first testing, second testing, and currently price is approaching the same key level. Okay, so the uptrend line has rejected the price, correct, but we are waiting for the price to break the resistance. Okay, so if this resistance is broken to the upside, there are high chances, or let me put it this way, if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for the resistance to get broken to the upside, as you can see here. Okay, or if you're a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for the resistance to reject the price to the downside, okay, and even to the extent of breaking the uptrend line to the downside, and then you can place your sell trade. Okay, all right, so when the price gets rejected by the resistance, it comes down to the extent or to the point of breaking the uptrend line, you can place your sell trade. Okay, and once again, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Now let's look at oil. If you look at oil closely, you would realize that is approaching a key level. Okay, and that's the support. Okay, so this, okay, all right, So you realize that the price, I mean the uptrend move started from here, okay, like this, and currently we can see price approaching the support, which is a key level, okay, here, as you can see here. Okay, so if you're a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for price to break the support to the downside. Okay, you wait for this price to break the support to the downside, then you place your sell trade. If you're also a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, wait for the price to get rejected by the support to the upside. Okay, and then you can place your buy trade. Okay, it's very simple. Price is approaching the key support, okay, or the key level, because first it started from here, as you can see, and price is getting to the same key level. If you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for the price to get rejected by the support to the upside, you place your buy trade. If you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the price to break the support to the downside, then you place your sell trade. In all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Now, we have Nzdusd, and like I mentioned earlier, we have interest rate news coming from New Zealand. We have jobless claims coming from the US, which are very, very important for you to pay good attention to. So, if you look at NZD, price has been, in the downtrend for some time now. Okay, as you can see. Okay, all right. So it started from here. A moment. Okay, so downtrend move started from here, and then price got rejected here. Okay, but currently, as we can see price has broken the downtrend line to the upside, as you can see. So if you're a trader looking out for buy opportunity, you can wait for price to get back to the downtrend line again and rejects the price to the upside. Then you can place your buy trade. Okay, or if you're looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for price to break the downtrend line to the downside, then you place your sell trade. Now, in all of these, once again, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Now, talking about technical analysis, okay, if maybe you're struggling to analyze the market like I did, you can just log into your account, go to resources, okay, and at the resource page you will see trading ideas or technical views, okay, or trade ideas or trading signals that you can make good use of. If you're struggling with how to analyze them, reach out to me using the number on your screen, and I'm going to help you understand this. Okay, so you click on, let's say this is what you open, you click on this, okay, and then this signal pops up. This signal, just a look at it, tells you that price is looking at going up. Okay, price is looking at going up. This being the target, this is the entry price you can enter, this is the stop loss. Okay, so you can pay good attention to these signals as well. If you're also looking out for maybe signals from the commodities market, you have a lot of markets here. Let's say commodities. Okay, you are looking at gold. Okay, so gold, what gold is currently saying is that you can, price is looking at going up. Okay, so you can look at it. If you are struggling with how to analyze it, reach out to me, and then I am going to help you analyze this. Okay, in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Reach out to me using the number on your screen. Let me add you to a WhatsApp group where there are good traders sharing trading ideas, and we pick it up from there. Thank you. Bye bye.